Hello, thanks for still being here. Our show is going to continue, and I would like to remind the main topic of our today's discussion. There is no excuse for not trying. As I promised you, in some minute one guest will visit our studio, but I want to ask you one more question. During advertisement, when I was waiting for broadcasting time, the question appeared in my head. Why are only some people successful, but not anyone? We are sitting here in this studio, we are happy, while some people working hard in order to earn money for their families. Some of us believe in destiny and are persuaded that the God has already planned our life from beginning to end. I agree with it partially. God gave us a way which consists of many roads, and you have to choose your personal route. There is a citation that our life is like a book. I am convinced that everyone wants to see interesting plot in this book. However, when we begin to revise our stories, we understand that this is not a book. Instead, it looks like a draft. To make it more careful and bright, we need one thing. We need to act. Trying everything in the way of success is only method to achieve your goal. Not be scared about results, because the absence of them is much more awful than the present. 1 is better than 0. And negative result is better than vainess. Please remember one thing: if you act, you receive. If you don't, you're a loser without being a participant. And now I would like to invite my guest. So, you're welcome. Hello.